When winds roar like a freight train and waves crash like mountains, survival depends on precision engineering, not luck. Cruise ships are marvels of modern engineering designed to carry thousands safely across the open ocean. But even these giants can face nights when nature turns violent. This is the story of what happens on board when a cruise ship battles extreme winds during a storm-bound night. From the bridge to the engine room, every system, every crew member, and every decision plays a role in keeping the ship upright and passengers safe. It begins with the weather alerts, constantly monitored by onboard radar, satellite feeds, and meteorological data. Storm warnings intensify, and the captain adjusts the ship's course to meet the winds at angles that minimize impact. Despite careful planning, the unpredictable nature of the storm demands real-time decisions, and every shift in wind direction can change the dynamics of the vessel. As the ship enters the core of the storm, the winds howl across the decks, lifting loose objects and testing the strength of railings. Passengers are instructed to remain in their cabins where the structure is strongest and movement is minimized. Crew members secure equipment, monitor instruments, and brace themselves for sudden jolts as the ship rolls and pitches with the waves. The stabilizers, designed to counter rolling, extend deep into the water. They continuously adjust, reacting to the violent movements caused by gusts and waves. Ballast systems redistribute water to keep the ship's center of gravity low, counteracting tilting and maintaining equilibrium. These systems work in harmony with the hull, engineered to flex and absorb energy rather than resist rigidly. On the bridge, the captain and officers analyze the storm's patterns. Heading adjustments of only a few degrees can significantly reduce the strain on the ship. Propulsion systems are modulated carefully. Too much power risks additional instability. Too little leaves the vessel at the mercy of the wind and waves. Communication is constant between all departments, ensuring that adjustments are synchronized and passengers remain informed. Throughout the night, gusts exceeding 70 knots test the limits of both human and mechanical endurance. The ship creaks and groans under pressure, yet remains intact. Lights flicker but stay on. Vital systems continue to operate. The storm is relentless, but the coordination, engineering, and experience on board transform chaos into a controlled battle. As hours pass and the storm begins to subside, movements of the ship gradually lessen. The stabilizers retract partially, ballast systems return to normal levels, and the bridge adjusts heading for calmer waters. Passengers emerge cautiously, witnessing the aftermath, a ship that endured the wrath of a storm-bound night and emerged intact. What happens on board is not luck or chance. It is a combination of careful design, rigorous training, and disciplined execution. Modern cruise ships are engineered to confront nature at its most extreme, and their ability to survive such nights is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Even in the most violent winds, the ship and its crew demonstrate that preparation and skill can conquer the raw forces of the ocean.